The goal of this video is to demonstrate how to move an object in Unity using the Transform.position functionality. So this functionality is actually not physics-based movement. It would require manual collision handling. So it's most useful for when you just want to move an object directly to a distinct position. And also of note is that unlike Transform.translate, this does not count for rotation. So to start out, I'm going to set up a very basic scene in Unity by creating a cube. I'll call it ground, and then I'll set the scale of it to be 20, 0.1, and then 20 to make a flat surface. Then I'll add a material to it. I'm also going to create a object. I'll create a cube that will be used for the movement. So note that the cube and the camera are actually both facing in the same direction. Make sure that here actually, if you look at the camera and the cube, the blue arrows both facing in the same direction. We'll call that forward. So I'm actually not going to add any components because no other components are required for this cube, but instead I'm just going to create a C# script. I actually created one, so I'll open that up. And then I'm going to actually delete the start method since we don't need that. I'll add just a single public int speed equals 7. It's the only variable we'll need. And then in update, we're going to set float horizontal equals input dot get access horizontal. In a similar fashion, float vertical equals input dot get access vertical. So now I'm actually going to set up a vector 3, call it movement, and that will equal a new vector 3, horizontal times speed times time dot delta time for the first value, 0 for the y value, and then vertical times speed times time dot delta time for the z value. And finally, transform.position equals transform.position or plus equals transform or plus equals movement. So just adding movement, the movement variable to transform.position. Save that, go back to Unity. If you go to Edit, Project Settings and Input Manager, the horizontal and vertical values in the code are actually representing the WASD and arrow keys. So if I hit play, actually I need to drag the script onto the cube first, and I can actually change the speed, hit play. Notice there's no gravity, but as I use the arrow keys, it moves the object around and it actually won't fall off the map. And that's it.